You're at Fredericktown-Amity and Armentrout.
Yes. 504235.
Selection of new Kias online.
4046.
42 shots fired.
Shots fired. 300 all units. You copy. Shots fired. Armentrout Road and Fredericktown-Amity Road.
Two occupants, male, female. I did get some shots off.
Give the vehicle description out, please.
It's going to be a red Pontiac. 42, I don't believe I'm hit.
I covered you. You placed the phone to vehicle John Crane 8940. John Crane 8940.
We're at 100,000. Speed's over 100. Just move through Mansfield.
See if we can get OSP aviation.
We're calling now for aviation.
Notify 361. I lost him at Knox Lake.
Updated 39.
I'm still on Fredericktown-Amity. I lost him at Knox Lake.
Clear Fredericktown-Amity and you lost him at Knox Lake.
The only thing I can log is there was some stickers in the back windshield. It's a maroon Pontiac. Grand Am. Oh, they're still in Fredericktown-Amity. They're ways ahead of me, though.
We sending up route for anybody yet?
Here's number west.
One's passing developmental center.
I believe we took a left on dive cliff.
I'm going to go over to Old Mansfield Road.
Alright, I'll stay north on Worcester, just getting there.
50s on Worcester Fairgrounds at Chancellor Road.
366, where did they turn left on?
Leave on Dival base. I've lost visual again.
You just passed page on 3. Who's gonna cut McKenzie over to Old Mansfield? 48's up in Fredericktown, gonna continue to head north.
Two, I'm on Old Mansfield now, near your location. Where do you want me set?
They lost him at Diamonds, I thought he said, so I thought they were heading that way.
Until you tell me to set somewhere else.
42, I'm at Dival Bliss and Keller, no visual.
.66, are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, I think I'm 71. I don't see any blood.
.42, Richmond County,
We're calling Richland County now, OSC's notified.
Stop sticks in Dugan and Old Mansfield.
.39, do you copy? They were northbound on Dival Bliss near Keller. At Wells, heading north. .41, are you behind me? Yes. Where would you like me to head? I'd say let's get north till we get in that area.
.39's going to disregard stop sticks on Old Mansfield. Still heading north.
Clear.
First going to be heading over to North Liberty and Proper, and then North Liberty. Can I have the 7 again?
Units, just be advised, the male had long, shaggy hair, looked like a flat-billed cap.
Who fired the shots?
He aimed a 40 at me, and I discharged. I'm not sure if he got any rounds off.
366, where was the area that you discharged at? 48, and I will head to that area.
It's going to be on Fredericktown-Amity, would be just, I believe, east of Armentrout. Coming from Fredericktown, just past Armentrout.
Clear. 48 will be en route to that to try to secure the area.
42, if you can't get a hold of 361, I need you to notify Mayor Dag, please.
Clear.
42, can you repeat the 7?
John Ida Frank 8948. John Ida Frank 8948.
Alright, thank you.
42. I'm no lights, no signs now. I'm terminated the pursuit. I'm on 95 East.